Dal 21 al 27 marzo, nel Regno Unito, si celebra la Shakespeare Week, una settimana ricca di iniziative culturali in omaggio alla figura di William Shakespeare. Per l'occasione abbiamo scelto di scrivere l'articolo totalmente in inglese e di recitare inoltre 2 dei passi più celebri delle opere del drammaturgo. Buon ascolto! The Shakespeare Week is a national annual celebration that gives primary school-aged students the opportunity to be involved in enjoyable yearly experiences about Shakespeare. This occasion allows everyone to access hundreds of free resources about Shakespeare works, life and times online, on the website shakespeare.org.uk. The activity is organized by the Shakespeare Birthplace Trust, and its aim is to inspire educators and families to explore the figure of the author in more creative and cross-curricular ways. We know William Shakespeare was a milestone in English literature, is studied by around half of the world's school children every year, and is one of the world's most famous playwrights. We wanted to celebrate Shakespeare's figure by reading a brief part of 2 of his most famous works, the balcony scene from Romeo and Juliet and the monologue of Hamlet from Hamlet. About the balcony scene, in this dialogue Romeo, a member of the family of Montague, and Juliet, a Capulet, declare their love to each other. They don't know their love will end in tragedy.
O Romeo, Romeo, wherefore art thou, Romeo? Deny thy father and refuse thy name, or, if thou wilt not, be but sworn my love, and I'll no longer be a Capulet.
Shall I hear more, or shall I speak at this?
This but thy name, there is my enemy. Thou art thyself, thou not a Montague. What's Montague? It is nor hand, nor foot, nor arm, nor face, nor any other part belonging to a man. Oh, be some other name. What's in a name? That which we call a rose by any other name would smell as sweet. So, Romeo would, where he had not Romeo called, retain that dear perfection which he owes without that title. Romeo, doff thy name, and for that name which is no part of thee, take all myself.
To be or not to be, that is the question. Whether it is nobler in the mind to suffer these slings and arrows of outrageous fortune, or to take arms against a sea of troubles, and by opposing them, to die, to sleep, no more, and by a sleep to say we end, the heartache and the thousand natural shocks. That flesh is here too, this a consummation devoutly to be wished.
About Hamlet, it tells the story of Prince Hamlet, who discovered that his uncle, Claudius, had killed his father, the King of Denmark. In his famous monologue, Prince Hamlet reflects on life and death.